Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like surface modeling, sheet metal and enclosure design, product design, plastic components design, reverse engineering and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about flush hinge for doors. I am going to create this component with the top-down approach. So this is the assembly of these components. So I am going to create these two components and this pin in top-down approach. Let's start now. I have taken a new SolidWorks part file. Select the front plane, create a sketch, take a rectangle, select the line, right click, midpoint and select the origin, make it coincide. So rectangle is 16 by 40. Now go to sheet metal module, select base flange. The sheet thickness is 1 mm and K factor is 0.45. So material I have selected as brass and select any material. Now select this face, go to sketch, keep it normal, keep it in wireframe. Create a rectangle, select this line, select the midpoint and origin, make it coincide. Draw 3-point arc. Make it horizontal. Go to trim entities, select power trim and delete all edges. Move little bit outside. Two mm. Make it equal. This is 5. Distance between two lines is 20. This is 10. Now go to sheet metal module, select extruded cut. Here we have to link to thickness. Say OK. Now I am going to create the holes features. Select this face, go to sheet metal module, select simple hole. Here the hole diameter is 4 mm. Say OK. So we have to edit this sketch. See, move near to this arc. We can see the center line and place it over here. Now it is constrained. Now create one circle. Now we have to constrain the dimensions. Select these 2 points, make it vertical. See, we have to draw one center line to make it symmetric. Select this line, this circle, and this circle. Make it symmetric. We can use mirror option also. So select these circles once again. Make them equal. Say OK. So the whole feature has been created now. Now we have to create this hem feature. Go to sheet metal, select hem. Here we have to select rolled hem. Select these 2 edges. See, here I have taken 290. The angle should be adjusted according to this rotation. So we have to maintain some clearance. So I have given 290 degrees. Suppose if I increase 291, slightly increases. So, and the inner radius I have given 1 mm. So keep it in isometric. Say OK. Now for creating the other component, we have to take assembly file. So this is the assembly file. Select the component, place it here and float. Now select the front plane with front plane. Give the mating condition. Top plane with the top plane. Say OK. Right side plane and right plane. So it is constrained now. Now we have to create the inside hinge component. So what we have to do is we have to save this file as it is. See, we have to create this component. So now go to assembly, Select the model 2. So insert this model 2 into the assembly. Here what we have to do is select the top plane and top plane. Say OK. Now what we have to do is open the model 2, suppress the hem feature and hole features also. Now go to sketch of the cut extrude. Here now go to edit feature of cut extrude. Here what we have to do is we have to flip side to cut. We have to select this option and say OK. So the other component is ready. Now unsuppress the hem feature. So the hem is created now. Now go to assembly. Select this and this cylindrical faces and give the mating condition. Now open the inner hinge component and unsuppress this. Edit this circle, this whole feature. Here we need to delete this. All the dimensions. Move inside. Now we have to dimension. And say OK. See, here we need to unsuppress the whole feature. Save this file and go to assembly. See, the other hinge component has been created now. Now I am going to create the locking pin. So select the top plane, create a sketch at the center. And create an extrude. Take brass as material, save it. Now go to assembly. Now we have to insert this pin, that is part. Three. See, don't worry about the dimension. Just click the outer face and outer face of the hinge. Make it coincide. And this top plane and this top plane, make it coincide. So we are not going to arrest the rotational moment. Now go to edit sketch. Just select this arc and this circle, inner arc. If you want to give clearance, you can give offset distance, or we can make it co-radial. So at this moment I am making the equal diameter. So the pin has been created. Now this height is around 40. So we can change the height. You can give clearance, so 41. Say OK. Now come out of the edit mode. Now open this file. Select this face, go to sketch, keep it normal. Select this edge, make it offset. Go to feature, extrude. The height is 1 mm. Say OK. Now we can mirror this feature. So the feature has been created. Now we have to apply fillet. See, we can create the same component with the revolve feature also. We can do in any method. In single step we can create this component. See, the flush hinge assembly is completed now. See here, this is how it looks like. So this is how we create these kind of components with a top-down approach. Thanks for watching.